It's great to be here at Sgiliau Library today, and it's great to see our libraries hosting the Summer Reading Challenge again. It's a wonderful opportunity to keep our children reading throughout the summer holidays. It's obviously a vital skill for stimulating young minds and young imaginations, and it's fantastic to see our libraries hosting it again.
So boys and girls, the theme of this year's Summer Reading Challenge is Ready, Set, Read. And to sign up for the challenge, come and visit your library where you can sign up and the staff will help you sign up, and then come to the library and borrow books, and if you read 6 books over the course of the summer, you can complete the Summer Reading Challenge. And you can get a certificate and lots of other goodies, including this fabulous bag. So who is going to sign up to the Summer Reading Challenge?
I might try, I might try.
I
might try.
Yeah? Have a try.
And even I'll try that for my mum.
Yeah.